Oy, mabigat, mabigat. Here's something for you. Pero syempre for us, gamitin mo to lagi. Let's be dance partner for the rest of our lives. Volumes up. Studs, studs, studs. Mahal na mahal kita, XOXO. You're better.
I can finally see that finish line, keep up with my pace. Feeling like this world is mine, dreams I gotta chase. Trying to seize a day, not a second I'ma waste. When I make it to the top, looking at this life I made. Can't wait to say I'm proud of you, proud of me. I'm proud of us, good news and great days. It's looking up, proud of you, proud of me. I'm proud of us, I'm proud of us. Yeah, yeah.
Atiris man ako minsan, pero hindi kita pababayaan. Sana magustuhan mo tong gift ko sa'yo. Red matching, shining shimmer.
Yeah, this is my time right now. It's my time right now. Yeah, this is my time right now. I'm in the spotlight, look at me now. Yeah, yeah, this is my time right now.
Galo, no?
My time right now. Yeah, this is my time right now. I'm in the spotlight, look at me now. Yeah, my time right now. Came a long, long way from being down and out. Now everybody talking about me, that's that word of mouth.
Thank you so much. Ito na.
My time right now. This is my time right now. I'm in the spotlight, look at me now. Yeah, yeah, this is my time right now. This is my time right now. I'm in the spotlight, look at me now. Yeah, my time right now.
Let us ask the question, what makes this occasion, what makes us, or what makes you really beautiful is not what you see, but it is Christ who is within us. Na kung saan tinanggap natin si Jesus,
Ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Heartbeat in the quiet, spotlight in the
Good morning po. Bebe, I promise to you is that no matter what happens, I will always stay. Kahit anong mangyari, anumang pagsubok ang harapin natin sa buhay, magsistay ako. And yan ang pangako sa'yo.
I see you now with you. You'll never be the same. Start
Ito na yung pinapangarap natin na simula ng bagong yugto ng ating pagmamahalan as mag-asawa. Lalim! Asawa, agoy! Mahal na mahal kita palagi.
kapag dumating na yung mga pagkakataon na napapagod na kayo, sasawa kayo, or tinitest ng Panginoon yung pagsasama ninyo, yung pagmamahalan ninyo, go back to this prayer and remind yourself, di ba nagdasal tayo? Di ba binanggit natin, tinigkas natin, na tayo ay magsasama at magmamahalan sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya.
For better, for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and health,
Until death do us part.
I see you now with you. You'll never be the same. The start of my heart, you cover me completely. Came and changed everything.
I'm grateful for the beautiful journey we're embarking together. Pangako kong pagkakahalagaan kita, irespeto at alagaan hanggang sa dulo ng ating buhay.
This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary. this could happen. Oh, the grace would be enough. This is more than imagine.
Kung hindi mo man maibigay yung 100%, di ko man maibigay yung 100% ko. Bigay mo yung 80% mo, bibigay ko sa'yo yung 20% ko. Bibigay ko yung 80% ko, kahit 20% lang ibigay mo para makumpleto natin yung 100%. Mahal na mahal kita. And saksi ang lahat ng tao na nandito. Yan lang. I love you so much. Wala akong karga.